So, Dr. Zaharia, why do you consider psychotherapy to be an autonomous scientific discipline distinct from other mental health professions?
There are countries where we see that there are distinct training and educational pathways right away after the high school. So psychotherapy curriculum is in this scenario is distinctly structured, and many more hours of work is not on theories but in experiential learning, in personal development, and extensive supervision, psychotherapeutic supervision, which is quite different than predominantly academic and clinical training pathways of the psychologist or psychiatrist. Those psychiatrists has also their own direct experience, but I can say that I experienced in my psychiatric training a completely different way of being trained than the one I experienced in the training of psychotherapy. And also, when you look to the amount of hours and the amount of effort that I have put in both professions, I would see them that psychotherapy is not a mere specialization of the psychiatrist. I can use within my psychiatric practice my psychotherapeutic skills, though is not the same when I am in the shoes of becoming and being a psychotherapist. So this is one of the key differences I have experienced. It was the focus on the person, even myself, when I've been in that situation, which was not the case of the training in psychiatry, and as far as I know, is not part of the clinical psychology either. So this is integral part of the professional training in psychotherapy, and this requirement to work with the self, we work with the person yourself as a professional is a requirement which is rather uncommon in training for the psychologist or psychiatrist. And these distinctions goes furthermore into the distinct competencies and the ethics.